The MDT supports PowerShell scripting for cases in which you might perform certain operations multiple times. Some of the relevant commandlets appear here without full syntax for simplicity. Now, the snap-in has to be loaded first, as it provides the MDT-specific commandlets as well as the MDT provider for accessing the MDT deployment share. The new item commandlet creates a new deployment share. The new PS drive commandlet starts the deployment share build process. Import-MDT operating system imports an OS to the deployment share. And we have commandlets for importing an OS package, such as a security update for Windows, and the ability to import an application and a device driver and a task sequence. There's also PowerShell for updating the deployment share, which creates a new WinPE boot image. And we have the ability to update a linked deployment share. We haven't talked about that so far, but that's basically copying the deployment share to another separate location. And as well, PowerShell to update media, that is the ISO and WIM files. Well, to see how this PowerShell syntax looks in detail, you can choose the View Script button at the last page of the various MDT wizards. I'll show you an example. So just to demo how we can get some PowerShell education from the MDT itself, we'll go through the process of importing a driver. We did this before, so this will go quickly. I'm not going to explain each step. All right, so the import has occurred. Now, if we can somehow remember not to click the Finish button, and I don't know about you, but I'm sort of conditioned to, as soon as I see a Finish button, to go ahead and click it and say, hooray, I'm finished, let's move on. But if you can hold your horses, you'll notice the View Script button down here at the lower right. And if we choose that, then we can see the PowerShell behind the wizard, including, for example, the import-MDT driver commandlet that we would expect to see here with all the attendant syntax. So if you want to learn how to write your own PowerShell MDT scripts, I can think of no better way than this.